Hey everybody, welcome to Journey to Vitality. In this video, we dive into the surprising link between plant-based foods and keeping those depressive thoughts at bay. Did you know that the food on your plate can affect your mood? That's right, the greens you often overlook could be the key to brighter days. In this episode, we dive into the fascinating world of plant-based nutrition and its potential to shield you from depression. Join us as we unravel the science behind how plant-based food can prevent you from depressive thoughts and transform your meals into a beacon of hope. The connection between what we eat and how we feel is an intricate web that scientists are only beginning to understand. A plant-based diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and seeds, is beneficial for physical health and has profound implications for mental well-being. You are what you eat extends beyond physical health, influencing mood, energy levels, and cognitive functions. The nutrients found in plant-based foods, such as antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, play a crucial role in brain health, potentially reducing the risk of depressive thoughts. As society becomes more aware of the mental health benefits associated with dietary choices, plant-based diets are gaining recognition for their environmental and ethical advantages and their positive impact on mental health. The burgeoning field of nutritional psychiatry explores the relationship between diet and mental health, suggesting that plant-based foods can act as a form of preventive medicine for the mind. Studies have shown that diets high in refined sugars and processed foods correlate with higher incidences of depression, whereas diets rich in plant-based foods are associated with lower risks. This is because plant-based diets are typically lower in inflammatory compounds and higher in nutrients essential for maintaining a healthy brain, such as omega-3 fatty acids, folate, and fiber. By adopting a plant-based diet, individuals may experience an uplift in mood and a decrease in depressive symptoms, paving the way for a happier, healthier life. Understanding depression. Symptoms and causes. Depression is a complex mental health disorder characterized by persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and a lack of interest or pleasure in activities. It can lead to a range of emotional and physical problems, significantly impacting a person's ability to function at work and home. Symptoms of depression can vary widely, but often include changes in appetite or weight, sleep disturbances, fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and feelings of worthlessness or excessive guilt. The causes of depression are multifaceted and can include genetic factors, brain chemistry imbalances, stressful life events, and medical conditions. It's essential to recognize that depression is not simply a result of personal weakness or a condition that can be willed away. Instead, it requires a comprehensive treatment approach that may include therapy, medication, and lifestyle changes. The role of diet in managing depression has gained increasing attention, with research suggesting that specific dietary patterns can influence the development and severity of depressive symptoms. A diet lacking in essential nutrients can exacerbate the chemical imbalances in the brain that are associated with depression. Conversely, a balanced diet rich in whole, plant-based foods can provide the necessary vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support brain health and improve mood. For instance, omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in flax seeds and walnuts, have been linked to reduced rates of depression. Similarly, consuming fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which are high in fiber, can promote a healthy gut microbiome, further contributing to improved mental health. As such, understanding the connection between diet and depression is crucial for developing effective prevention and treatment strategies. The role of inflammation in depression and how plant-based foods help. Inflammation in the body is increasingly recognized as a significant factor in the development of depression. This inflammation can stem from various sources, including stress, environmental factors, and, notably, diet. The standard Western diet, high in processed foods and saturated fats, can exacerbate inflammatory responses, potentially leading to an increased risk of depression. On the other hand, plant-based diets are naturally low in fat and high in antioxidants, which help to reduce inflammation. A diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts, and seeds provides many nutrients that combat inflammation. These include phytochemicals, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation, plant-based foods can help mitigate one of the biological pathways that lead to depression. The connection between diet and inflammation is further supported by studies showing that high vegetable intake increases the levels of B vitamins in the diet. B vitamins, particularly folate and B12, are crucial in producing neurotransmitters like serotonin, which regulate mood. Deficiencies in these vitamins have been linked to higher rates of depression. Plant-based diets, emphasizing fresh produce and whole foods, can naturally boost the intake of these essential nutrients, supporting brain health and reducing the risk of mood disorders. Essential nutrients in plant-based foods that combat depression. Plant-based foods are a rich source of essential nutrients that play a vital role in maintaining mental health and combating depression. Among these, omega-3 fatty acids found in flax seeds and walnuts are crucial for brain function and have been linked to lower levels of depression. Tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts to serotonin, is another key nutrient that regulates mood and can be found in tofu, seeds, and nuts. Additionally, B vitamins, particularly folate, B9, and B12, are essential for the synthesis of neurotransmitters and can be obtained from leafy greens and legumes. These nutrients, along with others such as magnesium, zinc, and vitamin C, are abundant in a plant-based diet and are associated with improved mood and reduced risk of depression. The impact of these nutrients on mental health is significant. For instance, magnesium plays a role in the function of neurotransmitters and can help regulate stress responses. It's found in high amounts in spinach, chard, and pumpkin seeds. Vitamin C, an antioxidant, helps protect the brain against oxidative stress and is plentiful in fruits like oranges and kiwi. Zinc influences brain function and mood regulation and can be sourced from cashews, chickpeas, and lentils. A diet that includes a variety of plant-based foods ensures an intake of these essential nutrients, which can help prevent and treat depression. The impact of gut health on mood and cognition. The gut-brain axis is a complex communication network that links the enteric nervous system of the gastrointestinal tract with the central nervous system. This bidirectional pathway allows the gut to influence brain function and vice versa. The gut microbiome, the diverse community of bacteria in the digestive tract, plays a pivotal role in this interaction. Research has shown that the gut microbiota can produce neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, norepinephrine, acetylcholine, and GABA, which are critical for regulating mood, anxiety, concentration, reward, and motivation. These neurotransmitters, once thought to be produced solely in the brain, are now understood to be significantly influenced by the gut's microbial composition. Disruptions in the balance of gut bacteria, whether due to diet, antibiotics, or stress, can lead to changes in these neurotransmitter levels, affecting mood and cognitive functions. The implications of gut health on mental well-being are profound. A healthy gut microbiome is associated with reduced mood disorders and cognitive dysfunction risk. Conversely, imbalances in the gut microbiota, such as an overgrowth of harmful bacteria or a lack of beneficial bacteria, can contribute to the development of conditions like depression and anxiety. The gut produces a substantial amount of serotonin, a key neurotransmitter involved in mood regulation, and an imbalance in its production can lead to depressive symptoms. Furthermore, the gut's influence on the immune system, through the modulation of inflammation, also affects brain health and mood. Chronic low-grade inflammation has been linked to the development of depression, and the gut microbiome's role in regulating immune responses is a critical factor in maintaining mental health. Incorporating plant-based foods into your daily routine. Incorporating plant-based foods into your daily routine can be simple and enjoyable. Start by adding colorful vegetables and fruits to your meals, ensuring you get a wide range of nutrients. Experiment with meatless versions of your favorite dishes by substituting beans, lentils, or tofu for animal proteins. Snack on nuts and seeds instead of processed foods, and choose whole grains over refined ones. Gradually increase the plant-based portions of your meals while reducing meat and dairy. Remember, the transition doesn't have to be abrupt. Even small changes can significantly affect your health and well-being. In conclusion, the mind and body are intricately linked. Our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs can significantly impact our physical health and vice versa. We can cultivate a more holistic approach to well-being by embracing this connection. we can harness the mind-body connection through stress management and mindfulness to achieve excellent health and happiness. Remember, this isn't a magic bullet, but a significant step towards a healthier, happier you. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more evidence-based info on plant-based living. Let's build a community that thrives on delicious food and positive mental health. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.